G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from unknown places. Central Queensland. Rules in millimetre, basically it's offcuts and rubs. I bought as a big parcel and I've split it up into smaller deals. It's been randomly picked, put in a bucket to weigh it, and I've just dumped it out here, so I haven't set it up. I don't know what I'm going to find as I go through. That piece has just got a little bit of colour across the top in a few spots. Perhaps if I just zoom in a bit more. Pieces like this, cut a small stone out of it perhaps. The bit's been rubbed down a bit. Other pieces like this are just natural. Pieces just got a little eye of colour there. Again, possibly grind that down to the colour bar. Not a lot of fire in it though. It's a piece of Koroite type material. A few little plays of colour there. It's just got a little bar of opal showing there, but not a lot of fire. Just picking these up, and as I go, I haven't looked at these myself. Grind that off the top there, go down to the opal, but it doesn't look like a lot of colour again. Blue, blue. A few bars of colour, nothing much. It's a nicer piece. Cut that into a pendant perhaps. With a little bit of thought, some of these you can make something out of them. Bit soft that bit. Cut that the way it is. It's got a few. You can see the red coming through. A bit of matrix. Anyway, that gives you an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.